Student, welcome to Monbestia School online classes. How are you? Fine. Now see exercise 2.6. Okay, question number 1, 2. Now we have to subtract 2454 and have to minus 248. Okay, now subtract it from 4. 8 will not go, so we will take 1 from here, then it will be 14. So 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, now 1 we have taken, so it is 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, then 4 minus 2, 2, and here 2 we write here 2. So answer is 2206. Okay, understand? Now see next 1, 3. 1,46,762, and here we are having 84,529. Now we will subtract. Okay, from 2, 9 will not go, we will take 1 from here, so it will be 12. Okay, so 12 minus 9, yes, 3. Okay, and 1 we have taken, so it is 5 here, so 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, now no carries there, so 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, and 4 from 4, 8 will not go, we will take 14 here, so 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, understand? Now see next 1, 4. Okay, number is 2,45,892 minus 1,83,682. Okay, now subtract it. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, now 4, 8 will not go, we will take 1 from here, so it will be 14. So 14 minus 8, 6, and 1 we have taken, so it is 1 here, so 1 minus 1, 0. Understand? In this question 1 matching is there, but we will do like this only. Okay, now see question number 2, 3. Number is here 5,74,382, and here we are having 24,059. we will subtract it. Okay, from 2, 9 will not go, we will take 1 from here, so it will be 12. Okay, so 12 minus 9, it will be 3. Understand? Now 1 we have taken, so it is 7 here, so 7 minus 5, 2. Then 3 minus 0, yes, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, 5 here. Understand? Like this we will do. So next you see 2, 4, 7,82,954, and here we are having 2,48,939. we will subtract it. From 4, 9 will not go, we will take 1 from here, so 14 minus 9, 5. Okay, now 1 we have taken, so 4 here, so 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, from 2, 8 will not go, we will take 1 from here, it will be 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. Okay, now 1 we have taken, so 7 here, 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, understand? So answer is 5,34,015. Okay, like this we will subtract. Next 3, 1 you see. Okay, after subtracting, what answer you will get? 8,644. Okay, 3, 2 you see. Answer is 8,42,066. 3, 3, 1,17,334. Okay, understand? Now see next exercise, we are having exercise 2.7. Okay, problem math is there. In 1, what must be added to 2,57,125 to get 4 lakh? Okay, here in this question we will subtract. Okay, now we write 4 lakh here and 2,57,125. Okay, now we will subtract this one. From 0, 5 will not go, so we will take 1 from here, so 10. 10 minus 5, 5, and 1 we have taken, so 9 here, so 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, so 1 we have taken, so it is 3 here, so 3 minus 2, 1. So answer is 1,42,875. Okay, so therefore required number to be added, it will be 1,42,875. Okay, in question number 2 we have to subtract the sum of 40,256 and 21,512 from 2,11,542. Okay, first we will add here. Okay, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 5 7, and 1 here. Okay, so 4 plus 2 6, so it is 61,768. Understand? Now we will subtract it. Okay, 2,11,542 and minus 61,768. So 2 8 will not go, we'll take 1 from here, so 12 minus 8 4, and 1 we have taken, so 3 6 will not go, we'll take 1 here, so 13 minus 6 7. Okay, then 14 minus 7 7, and 10 minus 1 9. Okay, and 10 minus 6 4, and 1 here, we write 1. Okay, so answer is 1,49,774. In question number 7, you see the population of a town is 75,492. If 40,548 are males, find the number of females in that town. Okay, we have to find the females in that town. Okay, so what we'll do here, we will subtract the population of a town. So what will be here? 75,492. Okay, so number of males in that town, so it will be 40,548. Now we will subtract it. Okay, so 2 8 will not go, we will take 1 from here, so it will be 12 minus 8 4, 8 minus 4 4, from 4 5 will not go, we will take 1 from here, so 14 minus 5 9, and here 1 you have taken, so 4 will be here. Okay, so 7 minus 4 3. Understand? So 34,944. So number of females in that town equal to 34,944. Okay, now miscellaneous exercise we will complete. Okay, then next we are having 3.1 multiplication. Now see 5 into 1000, so we multiply 5 into 1, it will be 5. Then how many zeros are here? 1 2 3, we write here 3 zeros. Okay, so 5 into 1000 is 5000. Then 1 2, you see 16 into 2000, so first you multiply 16 and 2, so it will be 32. Okay, so 3 zeros, right here 3 zeros. Then number 3, 21 into 4000, so multiply 21 into 4, it will be 84. And how many zeros are here? 1 2 3, so it will be 3 zeros, so 84,000. Okay, understand? So your next homework will be 2.7 and 3.1. Exercise you do 2.7 and 3.1. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe.